So for the first assignment for this unit, I just wanted to go over it real quick. It's very simple, but there's a few things you might want to note here. When you go through, you're going to go through and read the lesson, and then I'm just going to click to the end where the assignment is on page 14 here. You're just going to go to My Plate, choose My Plate, and then you're going to follow these directions. So let's first of all click on My Plate. Now let's go back and see what it says to do next. Select Super Tracker from the menu bar. Okay, so I found out that Super Tracker is just right over here. It's kind of a little bit hard to find, so there you go. And then the other part that's kind of hard to do here is it says select daily food plans. Well, it turns out that they've changed that name, daily food plans, to daily checklist. So it says here the daily checklist, formerly the daily food plan. So that would be hard for you to find if I didn't just tell you that. So look for the daily checklist is what you're looking for. And you're just going to go down here and you're going to pick for age 14, if you already kind of know the ballpark of what calorie level you should be at, you can click here. But what's something real easy to do is you can click on here and then you just put in your age. Let's say you're 15, you're a male who weighs 135 and you're 5'4", and then you put your physical activity in, and then you just calculate your food plan, and then this is what you're turning in right here. So hopefully you have Adobe Reader, because that's what you need to download PDFs, and if you don't, you can download Adobe Reader. You should have that for this online program. But what you can do, there's a couple of ways. It tells you here. You can either save it as a PDF file and just submit it electronically. You could copy and paste the information into a word processing application. You can print it, scan it, save it as an image. You could take a picture of it with your smartphone and send that picture to me, but through the Dropbox. Don't email this to me. Or you could just bring it in and submit it to me at the Learning Center. There's a fifth option that they don't mention, is you can take a screenshot of it. So it would take a few screenshots though, and I don't know what PC screenshot is. I know for the Mac it's Command-Shift-4, and then you just highlight this and it takes a picture of it and puts it on your desktop. You'd have to take several screenshots to get it all in here. So I think that would take care of it all. Anyway, you would do another screenshot and send those 3 in. I think the easiest way is just to save it. Well, I guess I have to take another screenshot here. Since I already went into the mode. Okay. The best thing to do though is just to go ahead and save it onto your computer. And let's just save it. I'm going to save it on the desktop for now because I'm just going to get rid of it in a minute. And then I would go back over here and I'm going to submit it into this Dropbox. And then you submit your assignment here. This is just where you can review your assignment. And I would browse my computer and I would find that on my desktop, and I would open it up and then I'd submit it. So that's it. And if you have any questions, please let me know.